How to fix deleted photos coming back automatically problem. So if you want to fix deleted photos coming back automatically problem, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. Under that you need to scroll down, go with apps. Under apps you need to go with manage apps, and under manage apps you will find your gallery or your albums, whichever application you have. Tap on it. Once you have your gallery, now you just need to simply go with clear cache, which is on the bottom right, and then tap on OK. Once you cleared your cache, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go and force stop the application. After force stopping, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can go with your gallery and go with albums. Under albums you will have deleted items. Tap on deleted items. After that, go with delete, which is on the top right, and delete your trash. Now after deleting, your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.